This is the brief on building the human teams that govern AI agents. While everyone's worried about AI stealing jobs, deploying finance agents without specialized human teams is just risk accumulation at machine speed. We think of AI as plug and play, but are we just building lightning-fast systems that nobody actually knows how to control? Since they can't run unsupervised, we've got to understand the gap between tech capabilities and our management. First, consider the agent governance gap. AI agents don't self-correct. They apply fixed rules to continuous decisions. If regulations shift, they'll create material errors without human intervention. Agents are like bullet trains. They're incredibly fast, but if a human doesn't switch the tracks when the schedule changes, you're heading for a high-speed disaster. Since machines can't course-correct, org structures must change to include people who can. Second, you need 4 new roles: an agent architect designing logic, an agent performance manager for QA, an exception intelligence specialist for complex cases, and a compliance intelligence officer for new regulations. Well, you're probably thinking, do these unicorn employees even exist yet? The short answer is no. Because they don't exist in the wild, you literally have to build this team from within. Finally, let's talk readiness. Before deployment, do an agent readiness assessment to evaluate process clarity, data quality, governance, and human capability. Plus, train existing experts in systems thinking. So, are you actively upgrading your best people to engineer the system, or are you just waiting around for the AI to fail? Ultimately, the success of AI agents isn't about the technology itself, but entirely depends on the quality of the human layer built to govern them.